Hands up, head in his lap. Going from his beard to his couch. Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Yo, what's up, guys? BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like MAAJINS in this song Trolley Boy. Now, this song dropped forever ago. At this point, I don't remember when this song dropped, but I made this when the song first came out because I thought the song was kind of cool. It was a little unique, and I just wanted to give you guys a MAAJINS preset because you guys have been asking me for a MAAJINS preset forever, and I hope this is what you guys wanted. I don't really know because MAAJINS has like a whole bunch of different styles, but I thought the song was cool, so I went ahead and made this cover, and then I just never got around to making this video. So now I'm recording this video. It's 2026. Hopefully I could like actually make these videos because I have so many covers that I've done that I just haven't dropped. But yeah, without further ado, if you guys haven't heard this song, this is Trolley Boy by MAAJINS.
What? Yeah, bands up, head in his lap. Going from his beard to the scalp. Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Cola with the cola in the spot. Hit his body and I buy it. Boo cool bands, I got it. 2 can, big mouth shot. Keys up, take the ride body. High risk, high reward body. Overseas, roll up in the trolley. College baby, trying to test the knowledge. Big nasty, I don't need a style. Nigga, if you ain't got it, you ain't got it.
Okay, and now as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all these presets and let you guys hear my raw vocals. What? Yeah, hands up, head in his lap. Going from his beard to his couch. Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Cooler with the cooler in the spot. Hit his body and I body. Okay, you guys have heard enough. Now I'm gonna show you guys what these presets sound like. Here we go.
It's time.
What? Yeah, man's up, head in his lap. Going from his beard to his couch. Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Hold up, what you doing? Where you at? Cooler with the cooler in the spot. Hit his body and I body. Boot cool bands, I got it. 2 can, big mouth shot it. Keys up, take the ride body. High risk, high reward, pop it. Overseas, roll up in the trolley. College baby, trying to test some knowledge. Big nasty, I don't need a stylist. Bro, if you ain't got it, you ain't got it. So yeah, that's what those MAAJINS presets sound like. And if you guys want these presets, they will be completely free in the Discord. The only preset I use here that isn't free is this master preset. For this song, I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this entire FLP that comes with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in with all these presets, and my Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for $15. So if you want to spend $5 more, you get all of this extra stuff, and you get my Stock master as well. So go check that out. That'll be linked in the description. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go down to the Discord, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then both those MAAJINS presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in here. So go get you some free presets and make some good music. Now, with all that being said, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick before I end this video is the auto-tune settings. So this song is in the key of B flat minor, and I use a recent speed of 0 and a humanize of 8 on the main, and then for the ad-lib I used all of the exact same settings. So yeah, I think this is a pretty short video because there's no automation clips, there's no reverb or delay bus. It's a pretty simple preset. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out in some way. If it did, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.